Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're having a good day. So today me and my brother Abi are going to solve the Rubik's Cube. Abi is going to scramble it for me and I will solve it. So let's start. Shall we start? So scramble it, Abi. Can you scramble a little bit more?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's enough. Thank you. So now I'm going to start solving it. So let's start.
Yeah.
Now I've solved the white side. Now I'm going to do the middle layer. Where are you going? Now I've solved the middle layer. Now I'm going to do the top. Now I've solved the top layer. Now I need to orient the corners. I've oriented the corners. Now I need to orient the middle pieces. There it is. It's solved. It's all solved. It's not that hard actually. So that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching. It's not a very hard thing to do. If you put your mind to it, you can do it very easily. So thanks again. Bye.
Bye.